Another day, another dollar. What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I took a sell trade on Boom 500 index and I shared this sell signal to my VIP members. We've closed over 80% of our sell positions in profit. Good profit secured on this sell trade, and we've got few positions running up about 20% of our sell positions, which I expect price to sell to this level, the level of 6,990 in the coming hours and minutes, basically. So how do I know this index is going to sell from my sell zone? What's my view and analysis on this index? Here in today's video, we have the market breakdown and the market analysis, trade review basically, and I'm sharing to you guys what I saw in the market that made me sell this index, how I was able to predict the sells from my entry points, and the market is still dropping massively. More sells expected regardless of the little spike we just got. I still expect this index to drop further to get to my, I have about 3 positions running up, which I set their target levels. First one here, second one here, and the third one at this point. When I said I've closed 80% of my sell positions in profit, it means if I got about 10 positions, I've closed 8 out of the 10 positions. So I expect price to sell further in the coming hours and minutes, basically. When we look at the higher time frame, the daily time frame, you can see that this index has been bullish for a very long time. For some time now, this index has been on a bullish phase, creating higher highs and higher lows formation. But in recent time, we got a shift of trend from a bullish trend to a bearish trend, which we've got the market on currently. And I expect this index to sell further in the coming days and weeks, basically, at least for price to get to this level on the weekly time frame, this other block zone. These are price to sell to, and the sales will be getting on this index will be like a correction that would make price drop further, a correction of this whole bullish move we've got. This index is too bullish, but I expect a corrective move. And we also got an interesting formation here, an order block, a bullish order block. So it's either price sells to this level, then give the bullish continuation, just like a retracement to this zone. Then we see price buy further, or we see price drop to this next level. Either of these two levels, we're likely to get a retracement to them before we can see the major move, which is the buys on this index. And before now, this index has been bearish, creating lower highs and lower lows formation on the monthly time frame for a very long time. We'd say since this index existence is been very, very bearish, and now is gaining value, and you could see price buy to this bearish order block. So for the fact that market is yet to get to this order block level, we have bullish expectations. This index is likely to sell, is likely to buy more, right? So the sells I'm taking right now is just like a corrective sell move, taking advantage of the correction, and this correction is coming in form of a bearish trend, which you can see on the daily time frame. We've got series of lower highs formation and lower lows on this day time frame chart. So coming to the 4-hour time frame, we've got a zone here which I marked out after we've seen the market create series of lower highs and lower lows. The market created a level. The first level that was created was at this point, which got broken and retested, and the sells followed up, right? Spotting these lower highs, we've got a high here, another high at this point, a lower high, a lower high, a lower high here, a lower high, and we've got lower lows as well at this point, which gave the market a downtrend direction. So seeing series of lower highs and lower lows formation, I expect the sells. I looked at for a sell opportunity on this index. This lows that was created here got broken, and on the retest of it, I looked at for a good sell opportunity. Checking historical moves, this was a low which price has been reacting on. And when it got broken and retested, we saw price sell the second time, the third and the fourth sell on this zone. So history is about to repeat itself at this point, because price action analysis is basically using past market reactions, formations, structures and patterns to predict the current market direction. So seeing what happened in the past on this index, seeing the zones and the structure the market has been creating, I expected a sell on this index. And coming to the 1-hour time frame, we've got this bullish trend which the market created. So all I did was to wait for a proper break of this trend and the retest of our sell zone with a confirmation. So on the retest of our sell zone, which is this level we spotted on the 4-hour time frame, which you've seen price buy on the first time, the second time, then it got broken and retested, just like a break and retest of support level turned resistance for a sell opportunity. So on the retest of this broken level of support turned resistance, I looked at for a confirmation to take the sells, because I already had the sell expectations. Looking at the structure from the daily time frame, having that the market is on a downtrend, I may expect price to retrace to this zone, this other block level, or this level before we can get the bullish continuation. So for the retracements to happen, for price to come to this zone, we're going to get the sell move on this index. So the 1 hour time frame, I spotted a trend which you can see clearly on the 30 minutes time frame. Market creating high highs and high lows formation that came to test our zone, came to test this zone, right? So spotting this our zone and looking out for a confirmation, I waited for the market to create to give me a good sell confirmation, a good sell structure, a bearish structure basically, confirming the sells from this level before I could take the sell trade. So on spotting this double top formation, I knew the market is going to sell from this point. Seeing the first highs the market created and the second high is here, I spotted the neckline. I waited for the break and close below the neckline before the sells. So I took the sell trade on price breaking and closing below this neckline, and I closed over 80% of my sell positions and profits on price selling to the zone, which I have about 3 positions running up. And I decided to make a video on this trade, sharing with you guys how I was able to sell this index. We could see this index sell to this level, the level of 606,978 in the coming hours and days basically. And the break of this level of 6,978, price would sell further to this zone, the point where we expect price to retrace to before the buy continuation. Because we said this index is too bullish. Let's not forget the index is too bullish. We're likely to get the buys in the coming months and weeks for price to get to the level of 8,373. So that's it, guys. That's how I was able to take the sell trade on Boom 500 index price action. Basically, I did a proper analysis from a high time frame down to a lower time frame, spotting the market structure, zones, and formations, then having a trade expectations based on my market analysis. So for more breakdowns like this and market analysis, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engaging in my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.